So hello guys, now I'm going to learn character text splitter. Okay, what is character text splitter? Splitting text that look at characters. Create a new text splitter method. So here you can see text splitter that use tick token encoder to count the length, split the document and split document. Okay, so here what is the character text splitter? The character text splitter can be used to split the text document at a scale based on a string delimiters, a maximum chunk size, and given a chunk overlap. Okay, so here this is the character text splitter. So guys, I already teach you text splitter by using recursive character text splitter. So if you have like document this type of document, then you can split document in different parts. Okay, this is called a data transform. Okay, so I have already teach you recursive character text splitter. Now I am going to teach you this one, character text splitter. Okay, so now in recursive character text splitter, first of all I need to upload documents. Okay, so here you can see I'm gonna read my documents file. Okay, so I am uploading my documents inside the cell. Okay, so after that I am going to create character text splitter. What is this? Here this one, character text splitter. I can use character text splitter. Okay, here, and after that we need to check our documents. Okay, and after that I can check page content. You just need to replace in place of recursive character text splitter, you can replace it by character text splitter. Okay, this is the only difference here. Otherwise you need to follow same steps. So you can print metadata, and after that you need to do it for text. Okay, so here this is my text loader. And here you can see you need to change here character text splitter. Okay, so it is split like this. Chunk size 228, which is longer than the specified 100. Okay, so here match the output also, this one and this one, and type text equals to, here I am gonna print this. Okay guys, so you can see I am gonna use character text splitter Okay, so here first of all you need to upload document. Okay, so I have uploaded document in a PDF format. Okay, and after that I need to apply character text splitter, and after that I need to do chunk and chunk overlapping and split the document and save final documents. Okay, so these are the final documents. Okay, in different parts. Okay, if you have one document, it is split into multiple documents. Okay, so after that I'm printing final document at 0 and print final document 1. Okay, so this is 0 and 1. Okay, so these are the content inside the documents, and print page content. Okay, so here these are the page content for document 0 and document 1. Okay, so after that I print metadata. Okay, so this is the metadata of pages, and after that, after uploading PDF, I'm going to use text loader. Okay, so here I'm uploading speech text. Okay, so Trump speech text, and then go I have used encoding UTF because it it read everything which have in documents. Okay, so here I applied character text splitter. Okay, then print text 0 and text 1. Okay, so these are the outputs, and here it's object type text 0 means it's object. Okay, so this is the our character text splitter. If you have any doubt, please do comment, share, subscribe, like. Bye bye.